In today's video, we're diving into the world of AI tools that are making it possible for anyone, whether you're tech-savvy or not, to earn money online. These AI-powered platforms are taking the guesswork out of online income, allowing you to automate tasks, scale your business, and start making real money today. Let's jump into these game-changing tools and show you how easy it can be to earn online with zero code. 10. AI-powered graphic design with Canva. Canva has long been a favorite for non-designers, and with its AI-powered features, it's even easier to create professional-grade designs, from social media posts to logos, book covers, and marketing materials. Canva's AI tools automatically suggest layouts, color schemes, and font pairings based on your project. You can use this tool to design and sell digital products on Etsy, offer freelance design services, or create engaging content for social media marketing. No design experience required. 9. Selling AI-generated art. If you've ever wanted to sell art but don't have traditional art skills, AI-powered platforms like Midjourney and DAL*E have you covered. These tools generate stunning visuals based on simple text prompts. You can sell these creations as digital prints, merchandise, or NFTs, non-fungible tokens, on platforms like Redbubble, Etsy, or OpenSea. With AI's ability to create unique and creative designs in minutes, anyone can break into the art world and start earning, even without a brush in hand. 8. Chatbot services for businesses. Small businesses are constantly looking for ways to improve customer service without breaking the bank. This is where AI-powered chatbots come in. Using platforms like ManyChat and TARS, you can build automated chatbots for businesses that handle customer inquiries, take bookings, or qualify leads. These bots can work 24/7, reducing the need for constant human oversight. You can charge businesses for building these chatbots or offer them as a subscription-based service for ongoing support and updates. 7. Affiliate marketing with AI-generated content. Affiliate marketing is a proven method to earn passive income, and AI tools like ChatGPT can help you scale it faster. Using AI, you can generate SEO-optimized blog posts, product reviews, and buying guides in a fraction of the time it would take to write them manually. Once your content is live, it can drive traffic to affiliate links, earning you a commission on every sale made through your site. With the right AI tools and a solid strategy, you can automate content creation and watch the commissions roll in. 6. AI-powered video creation. Not everyone wants to be on camera, but that doesn't mean you can't create engaging video content. With tools like Pictory, Synthesia, and Lumen 5, you can generate videos from scripts or even blog posts, complete with voiceovers, AI-generated avatars, and background music. These platforms are ideal for creating YouTube videos, social media reels, or promotional content for businesses. Once you've built a YouTube channel or social media following, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 5. AI-powered writing services. AI has revolutionized the writing world, making it possible to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Tools like Jasper, formerly Jarvis, and Copy.ai are ideal for freelance writers, bloggers, and businesses looking for content creation help. You can use these tools to write blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, or ad copy in just minutes. For freelancers, this means more clients, faster turnaround times, and higher income potential, all without needing advanced writing skills. 4. Create and sell digital products. AI tools can help you create a variety of digital products, from ebooks and printables to planners and templates. For instance, ChatGPT can help you write ebooks or guides, Canva AI can assist in designing them, and automation tools like Zapier can help you set up delivery systems once someone makes a purchase. Selling digital products on Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify allows you to earn passive income with little ongoing effort after the product is created. 3. Social media management with AI. Social media managers are in high demand, but AI tools have made it easier to offer this service with less time and effort. AI tools like Lately.ai and SocialBee can help automate the creation of posts, generate engaging captions, and even schedule content across multiple platforms. These platforms can also analyze audience behavior to suggest the best times to post and the type of content that performs best. If you're good at managing accounts, you can offer AI-powered social media management services to businesses or individuals. 2. Print on demand with AI designs. Print on demand is one of the easiest ways to start an online store without worrying about inventory or shipping. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring allow you to upload custom designs and have them printed on a variety of products, such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Using AI tools like DALL*E or Midjourney, you can create unique designs based on specific niches or trends. Once your designs are live, every purchase generates passive income, and the AI tools make the creation process quicker and easier than ever. 1. Build an AI-powered blog for passive income. Blogging remains one of the most reliable ways to generate passive income, and with AI tools, you can now do it more efficiently. Platforms like WordPress and Wix allow you to create a blog with ease, but the magic happens when you combine AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper for content creation and SEO optimization. AI can help you write and publish articles in record time, generate topic ideas, and even optimize your posts for search engines. By monetizing your blog with affiliate marketing, ad revenue, or sponsored posts, you can turn it into a money-making machine that runs on autopilot. Let me know in the comments section below. What do you think of our video? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.